Now, this is a very important topic. What do you call it? Where did Prajapati Gautami die? Where did Prajapati Gautami, the Buddha's foster mother, die? And where did she, what do you call it, show her powers to the Buddha and to the rest of the people? Well, folks, she was, what do you call it, for that you will have to first understand Amrapali's, what do you call it, home. Amrapali's home, because Zhang Zhang is the only one who gives a hint of where she died. He takes the reader to Ratnakara's home, that is Ratgaon, and then he says next to it is the old house of Amrapali, where Mahaprajapati Gautami, the Buddha's foster mother, attained Parinirvana. So now that means the old house, that means there has to be a new house also of Amrapali, an old house and a new house. Now when you look at her property, next to, what do you call it, Ratgaon, which is Ratnakara's home, is Bajalpura. Now Bajalpura is, what do you call it, means music day in and day out. That is Amrapali's, where the Amrapali's musicians stayed. Music day in and day out. And then, what do you call it, you had Madhurapur, where Amrapali entertained the people, the Lichvis. They are of the Katyayani Goth, because she was attained, she got the name of Nagar Vadhu and what do you call it, Nagar Kalyani. It's not Nagar Kalyani, it's Katyayani. And the people living in Madhurapur are of the Katyayani Goth. It means most probably they are her descendants. And then, what do you call it, the Lichvis, after the Buddha allowed Mahaprajapati Gautami to become a nun with 500 other Sakya women, the Lichvis got together and constructed a nunnery for them, a sangrama for them, that is Navtolia. Nav means new and Tolia means residence for a group of women. Tolia means a group of women. That is the nunnery. It's just stuck to Bajalpura. And then you have Koluvar, where Vimal Kondana lived. Where actually his name was Binal Koluvar. Koluvar means the son of Binal. Now Binal is, what do you call it, Bimbisara's real name. So, what do you call it, then you have between Ratgaon and Bajalpura, where the musicians stayed, you had Binalpur. Binalpur, where Bimbisara stayed. See, he wouldn't have stayed in the dancing quarters. He would have stayed, made a small palace close by within Amrapali's property, that is Binalpur. And then to the west of Madhurapur is Kakjaniya, mispronounced by Buddhists as Kunika. That was Ajat Shatru's name. Kunika was Ajat Shatru's name. It is actually Kakjaniya. Kakjaniya means to put on fire for the sake of a woman. So this entire thing, and Danyalpur is the what do you call it, park which Amrapali gave to the presented to the Buddha. So the entire this Tegra area, Tegra, Bajalpura, Navtolia, Madhurapur, Binalpur, Kakjaniya, all this was Amrapali's property. Folks, she was super duper rich. She was much richer than the Lichvi kings that she entertained. Anyway, that was why she was called also Rani. Now she was Nagar Kalyani, that is Katyayani, and basically now what do you call it, according to the Buddhist story, the Buddha was what do you call it, Mahaprajapati Gautami goes to the Buddha and she pays obeisance by touching his feet. And then she tells him that she has grown old, she had suckled him, she had looked after him. He had given her his spiritual training. and what do you call? But her time had come, and she wanted to go, leave the world, leave the earthly existence. So the Buddha gives her permission. But some people, they don't believe that a woman can become a female monk and get the powers of a monk. So the Buddha calls her back and then tells her to show her powers. Folks, where did this incident take place? Well, this incident took place in a place called Ghat Kindi. Ghat Kindi, according to the Buddhist story, it is Ghat Kindi. And just half a kilometer away is Buri Mama Sthan in Madhurapur, Western Madhurapur. That is the old house of Amrapali. Western Madhurapur is the old house of Amrapali. That is where she attained Mahaparinirvana, half kilometer away from Ghat Kindi. I will show you that in another video, the spot where Mahaprajapati Gautami attained Parinirvana. But the spot where she did those miracles, that she showed her power, is Ghat Kindi Sthan. Ghat means super powerful, having power which normal people don't have. And Kindi means sea. She was a female who was asked to show the powers of a male. She was a female and asked to show the powers of a male. That means both male and female. Being a female, she was asked to show the powers of a male. That's Kindi. Kinnar is male, female. Kinnar means male, female. Kindi is to show the power of male and female. Folks, that is the spot where Amrapali thrice where Prajapati Gautami. Actually, it's not Prajapati Gautami. Her name was Banni Parmeshwari, mispronounced as Prajapati Gautami. Prajapati cannot be a female's name. It is a male's name. Prajapati is a male's name. So it's Parmeshwari. Parmeshwari means a huge following, a person with a huge following. And Banni is like the Sakyas made fun of the Koliyas that they came from forest. They lived in, their ancestors lived in forest. That's why she was called Banni Parmeshwari. So, and after she became female monk, she became Brahmi Parmeshwari. Brahmi Parmeshwari, the area prays to Brahmi Parmeshwari, Ratgaon, etc. They pray to Brahmi Parmeshwari, that is your Prajapati Gautami after becoming a nun. And then, now Ghat Kindi Sthan is the place where Prajapati Gautami showed the powers of male being a female herself. Folks, check out the Buddhist story of this certain story, and then you can check out the place in satellite pictures, and then you can see the actual video of Ghat Kindi Sthan where this incident took place. Today they have made it into a Durga temple, which I challenged over there. I challenged that it cannot be a Durga temple. It is Mahaprajapati's spot where she showed her prowess. Folks, check out what Buddhist texts have to say. Now, Hyun Sang will tell us where Prajapati Gautami died. And see. Not far from this is a stupa. This is the site of the old residence of Ratnakara. Not far from this is a stupa. This is the old house of the Lady Amra. It was here the aunt of Buddha and other bhikshunis obtained nirvana. Now let's see. First you have to see where Amrapali's house is. It was near the residence of Ratnakara. So folks, that is here. The residence of Ratnakara is here, Ratgaon. So this is Ratgaon, This is the residence of Ratnakara. Ratgaon means Ratnakara's village. Now, where is Amrapali's home? Amrapali's home is here. Bajalpura. Bajalpura means music day in and day out. Now, proof that Bajalpura is Amrapali's home is Amrapali's story itself. See, this is her early life. Even as a young maiden, Amrapali was exceptionally beautiful. It is said that a feudal lord by the name of Mahanama was so enchanted by the young Amrapali's looks that he abandoned his kingdom and moved to Ambara village. That is a mispronunciation of Bajalpura. Here is your Ambara village. That is your Bajalpura. It is a mispronunciation of Bajalpura. Bimbisara took up residence next to her. So this is Bajalpur, this is Binalpur. That's where Bimbisara took up residence next to her. And he wanted to marry her. And then his son, Kunika, that's Ajatashatru. He took up his residence up here. The place's name is Kajjaniya. Kajjaniya. Kajjaniya means to burn up an entire area for the sake of a woman. See, Ajatashatru burnt up entire Vaishali for the sake of Amrapali. That's what Kajjaniya means. So this is where Ajatashatru lived. So these are all proof that Bajalpura is Amrapali's home. Now, the story of Prajapati Gautami. The nunnery the Lichvis made for her, this is Navtoliya. Nav means new, Toliya means a residence for a group of women. That is the 500 bhikshunis who were ordained by the Buddha as female monks. And proof that Navtoliya next to Bajalpura was the nunnery for Prajapati Gautami is Koluvar. Koluvar, Vimal Kondana. Binal Kondana. Kondana is a mispronunciation of Koluvar. Koluvar means the son of Binal, son of Bimbisara. So this is, see, he became a Buddhist monk. So it was natural he would live next to the nunnery. So Koluvar is proof that Navtoliya is Prajapati Gautami's nunnery. But Prajapati Gautami doesn't die in the nunnery. See, Siyuki says, not far from this is a stupa. This is the old house of the Lady Amra. It was here that aunt of Buddha and other bhikshunis attained nirvana. So Mahaprajapati Gautami attained nirvana in the old house of Lady Amra. Let's see where the old house is. See, this is Bajalpura. And this is Navtoliya, the nunnery. This is Navtoliya, the nunnery. But Hyun Sang doesn't say that she Mahaprajapati Gautami attained Mahaparinirvana in the nunnery. In the old house of, Amrapali. So here you have Madhurapur is the house. Now, this is not the original Madhurapur. The original Madhurapur was here in the Ganges, and it was washed away when the river changed its course, when the government made a new bridge. Folks, here you see the edge of the stupa, the small river. There was no reason for this river. This is the corner of the stupa. See the massive size of the stupa. This stupa was made while the Buddha was alive by the Lichvi kings. It covered the entire old and new house of Amrapali, that is Madhurapur. This is actually Madhurapur. See folks, this is Madhurapur Gangaji. So this is the old house of thing. And this is Budhi Mama's Sthan. Budhi Mama, see, Prajapati Gautami was 120 years old when she died. So she would have taken the designation of great grandmother. That is Budhi Mama Sthan. A Sthan means where she attained Mahaparinirvana. So where did she do the miracles? See, according to the Buddhist story, Mahaprajapati Gautami, see, the news of imminent passing of Prajapati spread far and wide. Monks and nuns gathered to pay respect and homage to her. Sariputra, Moglana, Nanda, Rahula, Anand, Khema, and many others gathered at Vaishali. Anand, who was yet only a Sotapanna, started to weep. Prajapati then consoled him by reminding him of the service performed by her, speaking on her behalf to the Buddha to form the order of nuns, and then gently advised Anand not to weep, as it was not appropriate the monks foremost in retentive memory should weep. Despite the Buddha's acknowledgement of the intellectual capabilities of women, there were many men who were not willing to change the views that had been ingrained in them for years. The Buddha called Prajapati and said, "O Gautami, it is very rare to see a lady like you attain enlightenment. Perform a miracle to dispel the wrong views of those foolish men who are in doubt with regard to spiritual potentialities of women." Now, where did this take place? See, Prajapati then rose in the air and came down and worshipped the Buddha. 3 times she paid homage to him, then she disappeared and reappeared before the crowd. Finally, accepting permission from the Buddha to attain parinirvana, she walked back with her eyes on the Buddha towards the nunnery. She didn't go towards the nunnery, she went towards Amrapali's old home, which according to Zhang Zhang. So folks, where did this incident take place of her showing her prowess as a nun? Now where did this incident, see, that is Bajalpura, and this is what you call it, Madhurapur. See, you can see the stupa, it was massive, a huge stupa which covered the old and new house of Amrapali. Now she died up here, she attained parinirvana here, but they have made a temple here to her because they have to pray to her, Buri Mama Sthan. So this is not the original place. The original place is up here, which is now only sand. So, and where did she show her prowess? The Buddha, when she leaves the Buddha calls her back and tells her that dispel the, what do you call it, thoughts of people that a female couldn't get the prowess of a male monk. Folks, this is Ghat Kindi. They have made it into a Durga temple, Ghat Kindi. Ghat means supernatural powers, and Kindi means male, female. See, Prajapati Gautami was a female who was asked to show the powers of a male. Kindi means male, female. So basically, see, Kinnar is male, female. This is Kindi, Ghat Kindi. Ghat means supernatural powers of a male, female. Male, female means Prajapati Gautami being a female shows the powers of a male. So this is Ghat Kindi Sthan, and this is where, what do you call it, this Prajapati Gautami attained parinirvana in the old house of Amrapali. See, Amrapali's house was divided into 3 sections. Dakshini, which is this. See, these are all new villages. They were all here first. Dakshini, and then this is Purvi. Purvi means eastern. Eastern, and what do you call it? What do you call it? This Buri Mama, that is your great grandmother, that is your. See, the Buddha was 84, he was Baba. Baba means grandfather. So his mother was Buri Mama, the great grandmother. So she attained parinirvana here, and this is Purvi Tola. Purvi means the eastern. See, the, what do you call it, Prajapati, the old house of Amrapali was in the eastern section. And you have the central section. See, this is the central section where the Buddha made her show her prowess as a what do you call it? Being a female, asked her to show her prowess as a male. So, folks, this is a temple today. What do you call it? They have see all the female old Buddhist temples. They have converted into Durga temples, and I challenge this over there. So this is folks Ghatkindi. Folks, check the video of Ghatkindi Sthan. And the Prajapati Gautami was cremated here. This is Baro. Baro means well lit up. Well lit up. See, if you read the story, see, the relics of Mahaprajapati Gautami are said to have turned white like glowing pearls. That's what Baro means. White like glowing pearls. Baro. See, Baral. Baral means to light up. See, this is Baro Bazaar. It is a bazaar now. This is where they will have cremated her and the 500 nuns. The 500 nuns, they attained parinirvana up here in Nipaniya. Nipaniya means without water. It seems like Prajapati Gautami died of old age. See, this is Nipaniya. Nipaniya means without water. This is where the 500 bhikshunis attained parinirvana. See, Prajapati Gautami attained parinirvana here in this area, and it was natural that the bhikshunis would not attain parinirvana with her because she wouldn't allow them. She was old and a lot of them were young also, so they went without water. Nipaniya means without water. That means the 500 bhikshunis, they attained parinirvana here, and Baro is where they were cremated with Prajapati Gautami, because Baro means to light up, folks. And this huge, see, this curve in this river. This is the Baro river, named after the cremation of Prajapati Gautami. So this is Ghatkindi Sthan. This is Budhi Mama Sthan, where Prajapati Gautami, the new temple, which is supposed to be the place where she died. Actually, she attained parinirvana here. And this is your Ghatkindi, where she showed her male-female prowess. She showed her prowess of a male monk being a female monk herself. Check out the video of Ghatkindi. Okay, now folks, I am headed towards your Ghatkindi Sthan and Budhi Mama Sthan. See, basically, we all know you have to look at the Buddhist story through Bihari eyes. Prajapati Gautami was 120 years old. She was regarded as great grandmother of this area. Now, when she was asked the Buddha permission to die, some people, they had this conception that females couldn't be monks, they couldn't get the prowess of a male monk. So the Buddha, after giving her permission, he calls his foster mother back and requests her to show her prowess as a monk to the people who question the Buddha. So this Mahaprajapati Gautami, at the age of 120, she jumps up thrice in the air and she disappears a couple of times, reappearing again. Shocking. I mean, the people were all surprised. Folks, that place is called Ghatkindi. Ghat means supernatural powers and Kindi means a female with male prowess. Kindi means a female with male prowess. So Ghatkindi is the spot where this test of Prajapati Gautami took place, and this is where we are going just now, folks, to Ghatkindi Sthan. Now folks, don't tell me that India converted to Hinduism and left Buddhism. See, important places. This is Ghatkindi Sthan. Ghatkindi Sthan. Basically, it is just half a kilometer away from Budhi Mama Sthan. That is the place where Prajapati Gautami, she attained Parinirvana. Folks, the Buddha, he called her because some people did not believe that she could be a nun, that she could have the prowess of a nun, of a monk, a female monk. Some people did not believe that females could do it. So, to prove they were wrong, before she attains nirvana, after she asks his permission, he asks her to come over and to show the people her prowess before she dies. And it was here that she jumped up into the air thrice and landed down on the ground, and then she walked away around half a kilometer away, where she attained Parinirvana. Today there is a huge temple. It's a very well-known temple. This is Ghatkindi. Ghat means very super powerful, with superpowers. She showed her powers up here. Folks, Ghat means, like Jogi is a Jogi, but Ghat Jogi means a Jogi with special powers. So this is Ghatkindi. हाँ, किंडी के मतलब की है?
घटकिंडी बड़ी दुर्गा स्थान, गंगा जी वजन है ना, इसलिए घटकिंडी है।
हाँ,
दुर्गा जी का मंदिर है।
हाँ, and now this they have made this into a Durga temple because they have lost the story. हाँ, so folks, this is the spot where that incident took place, where the Buddha, he called her and requested her to show her prowess. She flew up into the air thrice and came down on the earth again, and then she went and attained ये कितने दूर है बुढ़ी मामा स्थान?
मतलब आधा किलोमीटर।
It's around half a kilometer from here. So folks, here meet all these gentlemen. ये दुनिया देखते हैं, इतनी नमस्ते कह दो हो और निमंत्रण दो कि आप आइए इधर। अब ये जगह के कहानी हम बतावे, ये बूढ़ी माँ भगवान बुद्ध यहाँ रहे, लेकिन यही वैशाली ही कहे, बिढौली के मिसप्रोनाउंस करके वैशाली कर दिल के। तो बुद्ध की जब उनकर माई जे मतलब 120 साल के हलकिन बूढ़ी मामा, वो प्रणाम करलखिन और कहलखिन कि अब मरे के आ गया दहो। See, I am explaining this story to the locals. तो वो बुद्ध परमिशन देलखिन, लेकिन एक जगह आए के उनखड़ा बोलेलखिन। बहुत लोग सबके कहना हले कि औरत महंतनी नहीं बन सके, तो वो कहलखिन कि तनिक तो अपन ताकत दिखाई दो। तो 3 बार आसमान में उड़ के नीचे अयलखिन। सब लोग स्वीकार करल के वही घटकिंडी है। तो सब आप दुर्गा मंदिर बनाई दो, कुछो बनाई दो। ई विदेशी लोग सबके बोलावे के,
विदेशी लोग
नहीं, ई हमें कह रही घटकिंडी असल यही है। बूढ़ी मामा जो हलखिन वहाँ मरलखिन।
अच्छा,
आ यहाँ पर वो अपन ताकत दिखाए के, हाँ, उनका बेटा कहलकन कि अपन ताकत दिखाई दो। ले लीजिए बढ़िया से, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। ताकत दिखाई दो हो। तो folks, I have explained your story to them. They have converted it into a Durga temple. दुर्गा जी कलकत्ता के हलखिन। हाँ, जब ट्रेन अइले तो दुर्गो जी अइलखिन। जब कलकत्ता से अंग्रेज ट्रेन अइले तो दुर्गा जी भी अइलखिन। तो सब दुर्गा घटकिंडी जे है, घट जोगी केकरा कहल जाए, जे जोगी जेकरा बहुत ज्यादा ताकत है। तो वही की कहे है, भगवान बुद्ध कहलखिन अपन ताकत दिखाबो। तो यहीं पर वो अपन वही घटकिंडी है। तो ठीक है, वो सबको क्या कहते हैं, बूढ़ी मामा की जय हो. This is your Indian Buddhism for you folks. There was no Buddhism, Hinduism, it is the same religion. And folks, and these people, look, they are very happy.
Very happy.
Very happy.